Hello everyone, Johnny Hurricane here from GamersHeroes.com, and today we will be going over where to find the can opener so you can open up that can of tuna in Paper Mario, the Origami King. Let's get started. First off, head up into the yellow tall grass right here. The shrine, as you can see, is kind of up to the upper right there. It's right on the edge there. You'll see the ZZZ basically in that spot. Talk to the ZZZ and it'll be this green dude here. And you are bringing him back to the party, which is not that way. Head over here, just in case you didn't know where it was. Watch out for the Shy Guys. And down and around. However, you still need one more person. Head back to the grass, and near this pillar, near this entrance, you will see that there are a bunch of enemies moving around. Fight them. Once you beat them, the other party guests will pop out of their corpses. Bring them back. And then after they open their can of tuna, speak with the metal guy right there and show him your can of tuna, can of tuna, and it will be opened up. Then you return it to the monkey, and the monkey becomes the toad, and voila, you can get out of this area finally. All right, that'll do it for me. If you liked what you saw and got what you needed, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Later, Gators.